Tired of watching 4 hours of content just for a few key ideas? We're going to build an AI agent in Python that summarizes any YouTube video into clear, actionable bullet points in under 30 seconds. This isn't just about saving time, it's about winning the information war. And you can build it in the next 10 minutes. First, let's quickly set up our workspace. Grab the code from the link below and open your terminal. We need 3 libraries: YouTube-transcript-api, the Google Gemini SDK, and Streamlit for the interface. Finally, set your API key as an environment variable so your agent can talk to the Gemini model. Setup complete. Let's code. Everything we code is open source. The complete, ready-to-run project is linked in the description so you can follow along or remix it on GitHub. Now that our environment is ready, let's jump straight to the core strategy. The secret weapon, generative AI. We're using Python, the LLM-compatible language, to turn long videos into short insights. We need 3 logical steps. Get the text, summarize the text, and show the result. Simple, right? We're using the powerful YouTube-transcript-api to pull the raw text directly from any URL. It's reliable and fast. Since the API returns a list of chunks, a quick list comprehension stitches it into one clean string of text. This is what our AI will read. This is the AI core. We're connecting to the Google Gemini Pro free API. It's modern, effective, and free to use. The magic is in the prompt. We don't just ask for a summary. We instruct the LLM to give us a professional, structured output. This structured approach, highlights and action points, is the key to turning a basic script into a productivity agent. Run the function, pass the full text, and the LLM handles the complex comprehension and abstraction in seconds. Before that, what other AI agents should we build? Let me know in the comments below. To make this a shareable tool, we wrap the entire script in a simple web application using Streamlit. We add a basic input field for the YouTube URL and a summarize button. When clicked, it triggers our agent function. And just like that, you have a functional, resume-worthy AI productivity tool that anyone can use. We've built a valuable, real-world AI agent and solved a massive problem, all in under 10 minutes. If you want to learn the fundamental Python that makes projects like this possible, from basic syntax to complex AI integrations, check out our full Python Zero to Hero course linked right below. It's the ultimate roadmap for becoming a professional developer. Like the video if you saved time today, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe so you don't miss our next AI project.